So hashtag replay if you're watching the replay, hashtag live if you're watching the live. We need to then look at where are we going to find clients that we want to work with. So there are a number of ways of doing this. Is, like I said, you go into the community, speak with your community, talk with them to see what the needs are. For example, what are the needs in your community? Another way is by speaking with social services and the integrated care boards, speaking with your GP surgery in that location, for example. There's various cafes around in the UK, that is. There's other trainings that you've mentioned that you'd like to have some training on. But I want you to think about the organizations that your clients visit or are involved in, working with multidisciplinary teams to talk to them about the needs of the service right now. Is it government? Because you need to be aware of these organizations and decide which ones you want to work with, not just sort of go in blindly. I want you to think about what it is, and then you've got to also be thinking about your pricing structure. So if you're paying them, say, £12 or $12 an hour, then what is your rate on top?